Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking absolutely fantastic. I hope you're having a great day. We're going to dive right on into it. What we have here in front of us is the newest lineup from Lorzor. These are minimalistic wallets, and you're not going to want to miss this. So we're going to show you both of these. Incredible. And you're like, Chris, well, how do you know they're incredible already? Well, I've kind of already taken a sneak peek. Now, as we jump into the video, these wallets will be linked in the top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Definitely wait till after the video is over with, but if they do intrigue you and you want to purchase them, I have a direct code at checkout. Use that at checkout. That's going to be 15% off anything on their website, including these wallets. Let's go ahead and start with this one. This is the Lorzor Wallet Pro. So again, I've already taken a look at it and it's really cool. So let's go ahead and just show you this real quickly here. We got RFID protection. You got your little manual. We're going to get into the skinny, so stay with me here. We got works with Apple Find My, which unfortunately I do not have an Apple phone, but built-in GPS tracker. I mean, that's kind of cool in my book. Unfortunately, can't test that because I don't have an Apple phone. Let's go ahead and get this out again. Have already seen this and it's so cool. So we got a little screwdriver here. Everyone has seen that little tool screwdriver that comes with it, and really cool product packaging in my book. This does have NFC integrated, left behind reminder, and worldwide tracking. So let's get all this information out of the way here. Now this does hold 7 flat cards. What does that mean? That means credit cards that are not like embossed, you know, adding a little bit of thickness to them. If you have those type of cards, then it's 4 embossed cards and 1 flat card, or 4 flat cards and 2 embossed cards, or once again 7 flat cards total. That is a really cool looking wallet. See-through, tempered glass, 6063 aluminum. We do have a little piece of plastic. Let's go ahead and get that off, shining it up even more. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and take a look at the wallet here, and then we're going to go ahead and show you some more features. Now, as you can see here on the back, this is your cash strap right here. So it is again in this direction here. We're going to show that to you in just a second. You do have a piece of plastic we need to kind of jimmy rig out from underneath there. There we go. And beautiful right there. Super beautiful. As we can see, once again, that is your money clip. That is not a clip for a belt, because obviously, I mean, you could clip that in to a man bag, etc., but I'll leave that up to you. So there's screwdrivers for the 2 screws if you want to remove the money clip right here. And we have a logo Lorzor right here on the side, and that is going to be our push button for card access. Nothing on this side. Very thin, feels great in the hand. Let's go ahead and load this sucker up. Okay, so I have 6 flat cards right here. They just pop in, and let's go ahead and hit our button here on the side, and the cards distribute like this here. Now they distribute kind of a backwards position than other wallets, as you can see right here, meaning they kind of fan out that direction. So let's go ahead and push that back in. Now, if you want that to be the back, which I really wouldn't want to, typically I hit the button with my thumb here. So if you want them to fan out, let me go ahead and switch around my Tesla card here. Then you could do it with your pointer finger, and then it would kind of come out more this direction here. So it does fan them out, but it kind of gives them more of a clustered look to them than other wallets. You can pull them all out. I won't fan through them because my license is right there. Let me see if I can get my shopper's card right there. So just like other wallets that I've reviewed, again, you pop them in, and then you have your Tesla card. Let me just put my license down a little bit more so you can't see that on camera. And then I could open up the card door and slide them back in. And again, what I would do here, let me get my shopper's card and put it behind the Tesla key card here. And then, so what I would do is, you know, my Tesla card is always the first one because it's just right there off the bat. And then I have my shopper's card right there. And then to put it back, I just use the backing of this one, slip it in like this, and slam it down like that. So this particular wallet is a little bit different than other wallets that I have reviewed and that are used to. Again, it kind of fans it out on the back side, but not the, what I would call the front of the wallet right here. But nonetheless, very nice as we slap them on down and they fan out like that there. Cool little push button up here on the top. Again, if you really wanted to, you could use it on this side if you wanted to. and they come out like that there. Got your cash band. Let's go ahead and load that up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bills. I don't know if you would necessarily want 5 bills, maybe like an emergency 20 or something like that, but that locks in really nicely, as we can see here in the wallet, and then be able to just obviously whip it out. I wouldn't have it folded. I mean, you could have it folded in half, I guess. Let's go ahead and jimmy rig that on in there. Yeah, you probably wouldn't want it folded in half. I'd say probably thirds or fourths, whatever that technically is probably your best bet like that there. Overall, cool wallet, really cool feature. Sorry, I cannot test the GPS locator. I don't have an Apple device. I'd like to see the company make Android. I know most people are, probably Apple users, but not all of us. Alrighty, moving on to the next one. Again, this is their signature model, but stay tuned for this next one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have already taken a sneak peek at this as well, and it's a really cool wallet. Okay, about us, they give you all the cool little skinny here. Once again, RFID blocking, carbon. This particular one is a carbon fiber, has a money clip, same exact thing, 7 flat cards, 4 flat, 2 embossed cards, or 4 embossed cards and 1 flat card. Anti-drop design, and this is carbon fiber, 3K carbon fiber. Again, screwdriver and accessories right there for your wallet. Let's get that out of the way. And again, I've already seen this cool product packaging. You got your little ribbon to pull it out. Very nice. I like what I'm seeing right there. Anyway, that, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful wallet. Goodness gracious. Wowzers. Again, I've already seen it in person. I snuck a little sneak a peek. Oh, little logo right there. Beautiful matte carbon fiber 3K, which I love. Matte black around it. You got your money clip again. You can unscrew that. You can get it even more dialed in and slimmer. Beautiful on the back as well. It's a good looking wallet. Beautiful edges here. You got a little help button for some oddball reason right there. And you got your thumb trigger once again. Here's your little kind of fake cards. Let's get those out real quick, and let's switch over these cards. So again, super thin. Let's go ahead and whack that down. So you got a little gap right here, and then as you push, it slides up once again. So this is the design the same way. I'd like to see their next generation ones flip it around, meaning that the cards will distribute like this when I push the button coming up this direction. So instead of my Tesla card like this, I would have my Tesla card being fanned out like this, so I could grab that. I'm not going to pull that out, obviously. Got some sensitive information on there. But just a different, I'm not used to the first card being the most extended one. Not a big deal. I mean, it's easier to grab it, so to speak. I'm just used to being fanned out. So, I mean, maybe I'll get used to it. We'll see. Overall, though, a beautiful, beautiful wallet with very, again, subtle, just little push button there, and get in my Tesla, shabam, and then go ahead and lock it back in, slam it on down. Same exact thing regarding cash and the cash strap. Sometimes when they're new, they're need to be broken in a little bit, but you want it nice and tight, obviously, so you don't lose your money there. Looking fantastico. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a good looking, both of them are good looking wallets. And once again, for both my examples in this video, I have flat cards, and I have 6 total flat cards that I used for this example. Obviously, this is a little bit more beefier for you Apple people, but regardless, I'd say just maybe, I mean, in the naked eye, I'd say barely a little thicker, because there is a little bit more technology in this one, so to speak, with the chipboard, etc. But if you want like a tempered glass type of a wallet, tracking, or 3K carbon fiber, look at that. Look at it, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, I like what I'm seeing. They passed my test. They're beautiful wallets. Once again, if you want to get 15% off, check out their other colors as well. They got a lot of different colors. I'm going to continue to work with the company and review their other products as well, so stay tuned for those videos. Get 15% off whatever they offer on their website. Again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. You guys enjoy your day, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos, house remodel projects, and more. My name's Chris, and I'm gonna go eat me some peaches, because it's peach season. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.